Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Farhan bin Rasdi. Today I want to share for you design and construction and boutique hotel. The design inspiration for an boutique hotel is derived from an early 20 years country architecture style called straight electric. General Manager Leon Gan explained, the style is basically made where elements of British architecture were incorporated into traditional shop house owned by the affluent Chinese tin mine owner in Ipoh. And boutique hotel Ipoh boasts 93 rooms with 3 thematic floors and 5 types of rooms. Each floor is made to cater to a specific theme, which unique financial catering to each room type. The hotel several room options for customers such as superior room, standard queen, suite king, and premier room.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Azam Fatimi bin Azman. Today I want to present about introduction. Guide the extension of the both local and foreign tourism is a beginning operation in 260. The M Boutique Ipoh is among the first boutique hotel in Ipoh, Perak. Located on the outskirts of the town, the neighborhood is a quaint and peaceful, which made the hotel a perfect spot to rest after a long tired day. Paying homage to straight electric style of the architecture from a bygone era, the hotel gives you throwback to the time when the street statement were their prime, but with a modern and weekly and twist.
Boutique Hotel Space Allocation. Boutique Hotel were opened in 2013 and located in Ipoh, Perak, Malaysia. This boutique hotel has 93 rooms. This 93 rooms with 3 thematic floors and 5 types of rooms. Each floor is meant to cater to a specific theme with unique furniture catering to each room type. The main entry to the Boutique Hotel is on east side and contains an old town-wide coffee cafe. The main parking lot is located on the side of the building. There is a main lobby and a reception desk inside which overlook a large living space.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Azim bin Azmi. Okay, today I would like to explain about our retrofitting project. In phase 1, building material fabric identification during the restoration and redevelopment process of Boutique Hotel Ipoh. To create the loft filling, we combine the industrial fill material like our white sanded concrete floor, the exposed to the concrete structure, or the chain link railing system with luxurious surface which execute a warm, levelable quality such as adorable wall, plaster, and walnut wool railing. Next, in the classic mini loft, we augment of the traditional blind material with industry material to give the space of the loft fitting. We restore the plaster wall rendering and replace the wooden window. We remove the mold of wall and unify the space with a new sanded white concrete floor. A translucent glass of pane between the kitchen and the bottom bring the natural light into the bathroom and to create the surface for fascinating shadow play. The hotel is certificate compliant by certification of council, which is the independent organization that provide assessment of the management practice and the audit of product manufacture.
Light retrofitting. A simple definition of a retrofit or a relighting is the renovation of all lighting features that improve the lighting output and temperature of light, all while emitting less heat and saving energy. Ipoh Hotel focus on the use of lighting lux level. According to Green Business Light Lux, is a standardized unit of measurement of light level intensity, which is commonly referred to as illuminance or illumination. A measurement of 1 lux is equal to the illumination of 1 meter per square surface that is 1 meter away from a single candle. For the Ipoh Hotel, the typical lux for the hotel building are 200 lux, but if the building gains natural light such as sunlight, the use of lux will less. Why? Lighting lumen is a standardized unit of measurement of the total amount of light packet that is produced by the light source, such as lamp, tube, or LED chip. This total measurement light may also be referred to by commercial or industrial lighting engineer as luminous flux. A specification in lux tells how many lumen needs given the measured area to illuminate. Ipoh Hotel adopt this concept to ensure the light user are good level. This can reduce electricity significantly. Light retrofitting strategy. Lighting strategy for boutique hotel Ipoh include electric lighting control for daytime harvesting in space where skylight or window can be provide sufficient daylight to meet the required level of lighting. Day-related lighting control can be used for switching light on and off, or can be used with dimmable electronic circuit to provide artificial light during the day. Related during the day, the control system can be further divided based on its control: open loop control and closed loop control. The loops is open. The control system adjusts the light output softly based on the available daylight level. Instead, the loop is closed. The control system detects the level of light in the specific control zone, which include ambient daylight and momentary ambient light due to artificial lighting. Example of day loop, closed loop related lighting control technique are daytime harvesting, which utilize ambient light from the building opening to complete artificial lighting from installed lighting system to achieve the target lighting level illustrated in Fig. This technique is very interesting at most places in the boutique hotel Ipoh, and room have enough daylight from the window to be eliminate requirement for electric lighting. It can also be used to achieve a light output is constant, therefore reducing the effect is too large due to maintenance factor in lighting design. Comparison analysis of newly installed light retrofit. Existing condition of the building. Install the daylight harvesting lighting control. Sequence of design implementation. Using energy saving is technique where artificial lighting is controlled automatically with the ability to dim or turn off the light to pick up advantage available in the morning and during the day for make full use of implementation natural lighting from the outside building. Method of operation. To respond to daylight, the control system must see or predict what will happen. Light detection and prediction method, especially light sensor, light or daylight sensor, and astronomical time clock. Of the two, light sensor are considered more reliable because daytime availability may be highly variable. Expected saving and benefit. Establish the control zones. Control zones are lamps or luminaires controlled simultaneously by a single control or controller output. All luminaires in a daylight zone may be zoned to a single control, or the light may be grouped in smaller zones or controlled individually for greater control responsive and typical higher energy saving.
Thermal insulation. Firstly is a flat or block insulation. The blocks are made of the mineral wood, cardboard, cellular glass, and cellular rubber or the sawdust. They are fit to the wall and roof to prevent heat loss and maintain required temperature. Next is a blanket insulation. Blanket insulation material are available in the black shade and like a paper roll, which are directly spread over the wall or ceiling. Next, loft fill insulation. Stuck pitch in provide in the wall where a window and door are to provide in the study space of the wall, the field of sun insulation material is provided. The material are rock wool, wool fiber, wool, and cellulose. Next is a back insulation material. They are also available as a black roll, but back insulation roll are having more thickness than decker type material. They are also spread over the wall or ceiling. Install back insulation material and insulation board. Push back insulation material all the way to the back of each span space. Then pull out the front edge until they are flush with a face of the stud. Cut back to length by setting the top of the back into the space and cut it against the bottom plate with sharp utility knife. Leave an extra 1/2 inch of length for the tighter fit. Use a earnest stapler to hold the insulation.
Hello, my name is Ahmad Ajwab bin Zulkifli. I'm going to talk about air conditioning retrofitting. As HVAC system is a big consumer of energy, the more efficient they are, the more cost a hotel can cut. A green system can also help a hotel to build a good reputation. Although designing an HVAC system for a hotel is a huge project and consists of many key steps, the following three are the most important. First, energy conservation. The HVAC system adopted for hotel room in this boutique hotel is split system. For a residential building, it is inefficient to use a system like this. Unlike office building, HVAC system have to be operated for 24 hours a day, 7 days a week in hotel. Choosing a chilling unit, pumping system and cooling tower is crucial to the control of energy use. Although chillers with higher coefficient of performance are more expensive, they are suitable for hotel application and payback period is reasonable. Based on this consideration, water-cooled chillers should replace air-cooled chillers. Second, water conservation. In HVAC system is not as important as in other functional usage such as cooking, washing, bathing, flushing, laundry, and boilers. If hotels use water-cooled chilling unit instead of air-cooled chillers, they will consume a large amount of water. But as the quality of water for cooling tower is much lower than potable water, hotels can resolve this problem by using a grey water system or properly reusing sewage water. Third, indoor air quality. Through the process of ventilating, air can be changed or replaced in any space to control temperature or remove moisture, odors, smoke, heat, dust, airborne bacteria, carbon dioxide, and to replenish oxygen. According to this, the importance of ventilating is not only related to guest comfort, but also related to the safety and health of whoever stay in the hotel property. Guests will feel uncomfortable when there is no ventilation when they are sleeping. In all public space, fresh air needs to be ducted from the outside and exhaust fan must be removed. Instead of using centrifugal type of fan, we can use electrically commutated type of fan which can increase the efficiency of this process. For a better view, I will explain the retrofitting process on this boutique hotel. First, install variable frequency drive on chillers, pump, and cooling towers. By doing this, cooling system power loads can be controlled to fit hotel specific needs. It is not necessary for chiller to run on a full load all the time. Hence, the hotel can save energy during the low cooling load period. Next, implementing building automation system. This system can integrate, control, and monitor HVAC equipment and at the same time minimizing human errors. Lastly, using electrically commutated type of fan instead of centrifugal fan to increase the energy efficiency.
The application of the water-saving appliance equipment. In number 1, water-saving tap and beauty hotel with ceramic box called the kind of tap have a good impermeability that can be opened or closed speedily, have a long useful time, then can save water about 20% and to 30%. Second, the water flushing equipment of the toilet and boutique hotel ensuring the drainage system under the normal operating condition. They were reliable and easy to operate with a gradient flushing device can save water about 25%. Okay, the water saving shower. Boutique has a new kind of water saving shower with a thermostat was invented so water consumption can be reduced, and this can save about 10% and 15, and we use shower with a pedal fork, and generally we can reduce water consumption 50% to 20%. And boutique hotel Ipoh design. Okay, the uses of the water saving system, the faucet of the aerator aid in saving water by approximately 60%. The aerator run the 2.5 gallon per minute, whereas the normal tap without aerator run 5 to 6 gallon per minute. Okay, equipment of the toilet, ultra low flow toilet, reduce water consumption and cost bill to the consumer. They can contribute to the preserving environment by protecting groundwater from the depletion and possible contamination. Easy to use and clean. Usage of the water saving shower. The shower can rapidly adjust the water temperature, so water consumption can be reduced in our public bathroom. Double pipe water supply should be changed to single pipe water supply with thermostat, and this can save water about 10% to 50%. Okay, thank you.